Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to use YouTube video editor like a pro, which means we are going to learn the complete YouTube video editor, which means you don't have to watch another video for that and don't have to work hard on it. So in this video, we're going to learn the 5 main options that YouTube video editor provides. The first thing is undo and redo. The second is trimming the video. The third is blurring the face or object. The fourth one is adding a music. And the fifth one is adding an end screen. And we are going to learn them step by step. To do that, all you have to do, go to youtube.com. And as you reach to the YouTube site, make sure to click on the right upper corner and go to YouTube Studio. As you reach out to the YouTube Studio, make sure to select any particular video. Go to the left side and click on videos. Select any video that you think you need to edit on it. So go and click on details. As you click on details on the left side, you will find an option called editor. Click on this option, editor. So there you are at the YouTube video editor. So this is a very amazing option for people who cannot blur faces on their editor, like using an iMovie, which is a really bad option. I personally use iMovie, so I can't blur faces at all times. But first you have to learn, the first option is you have to learn the undo and do. For example, you made a mistake and you don't want to add music or whatever you want to do, like blurring any face part or like whatever you're doing. Like whatever, for example, you just added a music on in here and you think you made a mistake, so you don't want to do that and you want to undo it. So you can see on the left upper corner this option called undo and redo. Make sure to use these options because most of the time we forget these options. Like we edit a video and we complete it and we think we have done a great job, but when you save it, which cannot be redone after saving it. So make sure while you edit your videos, you use these options, undo and redo. The second option is trimming. Trimming is the base option for YouTube because it has helped a lot of people. Like I uploaded a video 2 days ago and I made a mistake on adding a false part in my video, so I have to edit it and I have to trim it out. So in order to trim out any part, any unnecessary part, all you have to do, click on that part, that first, the starting part. You can even zoom it. You can make the part look smaller or bigger depending on this on the left side. You can either zoom it or zoom out to make sure that you cut out the right parts. You click on that initial start of that part. For example, this video starts here. This is the unnecessary part which starts from here. So I click on trim, and again when I click on trim, I have to drag it. Like wait a minute. You click on this and click on trim, zoom it out, and click on the option called split. As you click on a split, this blue line will appear. You just have to drag it, and as you drag it, which means you don't want this part to be added. So as you think this part shouldn't be in this video, so you drag it from it starts from 9.29 and ends in here. You click on preview, and that way this part will be edited, which means this part is deleted now. As you save it, I'm not saving it because for editing, but if you save it, this part will be removed from the video. So this is very simple. Let me just have to click it, click on a split. Again, I'm just reviewing it, drag it, preview it, save it. That's so simple. So I'm again going to click on undo and going to start again. So this is how you're going to trim any video if you want to use the video editor. The third option is the blurring of face or object. This is also a great option. To do that, all you have to do, see on the left lower corner, this option, you just have to add a plus sign or whatever you want to do. Just add a plus sign. Make sure to do a custom blur because custom blur is really good for me. But if you want to do a face blur, it will automatically detect a face and you select this face. That will also be going to be helpful. But I'm going to do a custom blur. So in this custom blur, which means my video kind of the blurring starts from here and ends till here. You can also drag it depending on your need. For example, I want to make it lower. So for example, you want to blur something from here till here. For example, if you want to blur something from here till here, so what you do, you have 4 options. Either you select a rectangular blur shape, blur object, or you can either select oval blur object, or you can either select these are the behaviors. So for example, an object is moving. For example, if you have selected an object and that object is moving, you should click on track that object. So whenever that object moves, so this happens in videography, that if that object moves on, that will going to track and hide that. And this is a fixed blur position. For example, this if you want to blur a fixed part of that video, you can even try that way as well. So this is how you're going to blur any object in YouTube video editor. So we're gonna go back and undo it. And if you want to add multiple blurring face, you can add multiples. So this is the third option in which we are going to learn how to add a music in YouTube video editor. So in order to do that, all you have to do is add a music. So music is very good option because the music that you're going to be provided are free music. They are non-copyrighted, provided by YouTube. So you can add a music at any part. All you have to do is click on this add option and drag the music part from where to start and where till you want it to end. And if you want this music to start from here and end in here, so this is very simple. If you want to remove it, you can just gonna click on remove. And this is also a good idea for people who want to add music to their YouTube video. If they think this should be of really importance, you can increase or decrease the sound of that music, whatever you want to do, and click on undo if you're done with it and remove it. And finally, we're going to learn how to add an end screen. So end screen is something that comes at the end of the video, which means you are suggesting anybody else to suggesting another video to your viewers. So you're going to click on the add element and make sure you want to click on anyone, apply template, video, subscribe channel. But video is a great option. You just do that and kind of drag that down. And whatever you want to do, if you want to select this video, most recent upload, best for a viewer, choose a specific video. If you want to choose a specific video, click on that and choose any specific video that you want to appear at the end of that video. For example, if I'm selecting any video, this one, and this video, whenever this video ends, this video will appear like this. Let me show you. So this is how it's going to appear. So this is not going to appear because it's not saved, but it will appear on the end of that video. And this is how you're going to use the YouTube video editor like a pro. If you think this video really helped you, please make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.